The script delves into the art of Cherokee turtle rattle making, emphasizing its significance in Native American musical traditions and spiritual ceremonies. It guides woodworking enthusiasts on selecting ash wood for the handle and offers steps for shaping, sanding, and joining the wood to a turtle shell. The script highlights the delicate technique of attaching pebbles inside to create varied sounds, encouraging personal storytelling through rhythmic patterns. Special emphasis is placed on using sustainable methods, respecting both the material and traditional craftsmanship. This unique focus on Cherokee musical heritage and craftsmanship offers both a communal and educational woodworking experience, distinct from previous scripts like Tibetan mani carvings or Hawaiian ukulele making, enhancing participants' connection to cultural artistry.